trying this golden coffee in this golden place. Apparently the king himself visited this place, or the franchise at least. It's, I don't know if this is a royal project, but this is a very good place. Very sweet, it tastes amazing. What I look for now is a good dentist. Just a normal cleaning, dental cleaning, nothing extraordinary. Anyway, let's see. I'm gonna walk around and see if I find something. Otherwise, I'm gonna check the internet. If you know any good dentists, please let me know in the comments. Would be nice. Oh, I got one. That was fast. Just as I thought about it, it's already here. Let's see. The dent, good dent. Cleaning, extraction, wisdom teeth removal, blah, 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 blah. In just 1 hour. Looks nice. Why not try? Look, I just got it, the idea, and it's already here. I guess it's destiny. It's written. Ultrasound cleaning, 800 to 1,200 baht. Well, that sounds very nice. Can I pay with card? Okay, that was fast. I got an appointment in 30 minutes. That's Thailand. That's Thailand. In Switzerland, I would have to wait at least 3 days or something. 800 to 1,200 baht, depending on the condition of the teeth. So probably 1,000, something like that. And an extraordinarily friendly lady on the reception. Very, very nice. It was very nice. Pleasant experience till now. So yeah, I'll be back in 30 minutes. I decided not to walk around for this 30 minutes. I'm gonna have a foot massage for 30 minutes, and this massage here, just right over there is the dental clinic. I mean, it can't get any better in that sense. Actually, we're right opposite Soy 80. So 80 is right over there, and there will be Villa Market. That will be the price list. The bathroom here is very clean. Everything good so far. Almost an hour later. No holes, everything good. And I paid 1,236. I got the maximum price because I drink a lot of coffee, so it's, you know. And also a few baht more for the cream, for the against the pain, because I have sensitive teeth. So all in all, I can recommend this place. D-Dent. Nice price, nice people, very friendly. That's blue?
Blue tea?
No, blue pea.
Blue tea.
Yes, blue pea.
Okay.
P-E-A, not P-E, just in case.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. This thing is broken, doesn't work. So I'm gonna go the risky way. Oh, now I feel alive. Finally home. How many steps today? 3,800 steps. That's impossible. Should be about 20 now. Somehow my watch wasn't counting it. I was just walking for over 3 hours straight. I'm really grateful to her because when I got sick, she took care of me. She just came and brought me all the stuff like paracetamol, the thing for fever thermometer, and stuff like, you know, vitamin C, all these things. She brought me. And by the way, she just saw that I was I didn't feel good. I was walking by. She just, what's wrong with you? She asked. I said, how do you know? Like, you don't feel good? I said, yeah. Like 20 minutes later, she comes with all the stuff, you know, like straight, took care of me, everything. What you buy? You go pharmacy and buy? This is no good. You spend much money.
This vitamin. Vitamin. And this.
I know, propolis, yeah. Okay, but I have to give you money for this.
No.
Yes. What is this? Oh, that's for me? Okay. Wow. Squid. That's 285 baht with delivery. So here I have my fish with fish sauce from Maha Arroy restaurant, which I showed you before. And this is 180 baht, freshly made. Ooh, perfect. So beautiful.